ke BJP ha ke jela bedeiru MLA ke penthor ba AL heng uloang ba ka parti ke dan ke jingkerman ke bakrau ba kinla banjab hadu palat arpo dani arpulai ngut ki MLA ha ke election MLA hau arjar pra wala ke election ke dangdan sakumba arsnam shitengi Henry nongelam ke BJP uang baki don minta ke jingkerman ba ka parti kan sala ban le bha nedu ke election panwan da ka jingdon ki kertong ki bakken sai
potential for almost 20 to 30 seats are very potential for the BJP in the upcoming general election. But that also in Meghalaya is the other way round. In Meghalaya, it depends also on the candidate and the personality of the person. Not entirely depend only on the political party. It's not happening only BJP. I'm talking about the other political parties also. Say for example, if we talk about Congress or we talk about NPP, you talk about TMC or any other political party, the party is there, but it should depend on the candidate. Looking at a very safe way, we have looking for almost 40 seats. So we can we can zero down to 20 to 30 seats. It's always be open. We are welcome. So only the time will be a great healer. The time will tell us.